Hi, I'm David Buttifant from Resilience Builders. I want to share with you one of my morning rituals. That's a smoothie, and I'm just take you through some of the properties and the micronutrients of what I actually use in my smoothie. I'll start with my beetroot. I love beetroot in the actual smoothie. It's got high B9, it's got some manganese, potassium, iron, folate and fibre. I use strawberries, I've grown these myself. Really strong in antioxidants as well, gives a nice flavour to the smoothie. I use ginger because it's got really high anti-inflammatory properties. It's got B3 and B6. It's got iron, it's got zinc in it as well. It also has an anti-nausea effect as well. I wouldn't use a whole amount there, I would just cut a few slices of that. Use mint, give it a bit of flavour. I use spinach leaves, which has got high in properties in folate, iron as well. And now this is the king of antioxidants, blueberries. These aren't grown, it's from the supermarket. Frozen packets are fine. I use cacao as well. That gives a bit of flavour. Has a little bit of caffeine in it. It's got some antioxidants as well. I use an unsweetened almond milk. You know, most of these foods, these are kind of low calories and there's not a lot of carbohydrates in this. So I use almond milk. I use a Bondi protein. It's a vegan protein. I use 2 scoops. That's 40 grams. So the amount of almond milk that I would use would be roughly about 400 to 500 mils. And that would give me a pretty nice sized smoothie that would get me through to lunchtime. So that's my morning ritual. It works for me. Hopefully it may work for you as well. Have a good day.